Rightio worlds, Hippy Trev here. Yeah, roll the intro.
Hi, Hippy Trev here, and welcome to my channel. Hope you get something out of it.
Rightio worlds, so if you watched my last few videos, you'll notice I've been having a hell of a lot of, hang on, smoke. Morning worlds, Hippy Trev here. Another beautiful day up here in paradise. I really wish it had rained though. Well, so if you watch my last few videos, you know I've been having a fair amount of trouble with my audio. It's just, yeah, I thought I'd got rid of that problem in the helmet when I got that gaming mic. It was actually literally like a game changer. I had the other microphones. So I bought these from J-Car, these microphones. Now, they're great in a static position like I am now. They work really good. But I know, I think they're about 40 bucks each. I got two of them. The problem was, the minute I got up over 30 miles an hour in the helmet, the wind would just make it just broke the microphones down. And there's a few videos way back of them being in the helmet where basically completely useless. And then I paid 40 bucks just for a gaming mic, and that was a huge game changer. But lately, I don't know whether it's because of the GoPro box, which I'm going to disconnect in a minute and show you, or whether the fittings in the camera where it plugs in are failing. And as you know, I've had plenty of trouble having mounts on the bike. Like I've had different sort of mounts up there. This is the one I've been using lately. I mean, it's okay. This one here. I don't even know the one was working before. So what happens is, this is your GoPro box. This thing here is about $80 now, 80 bucks. And what it does, because you can't plug, there's nowhere to plug a microphone into a GoPro. There's just nowhere, you can't do it. So you've got to buy this GoPro box for 80 bucks, and you plug it in the side of the camera like that. Then you plug your microphone in at the bottom, and basically you have microphone sound, supposedly. So what's happening is the camera's mounted in this, it's jiggling around. I even paid extra for this case because it's got the I paid extra for this top case here. That was about 40 bucks. So it had the place to put the GoPro. What that goes in there. So that goes into the bottom case. That goes in the bottom case there. You plug your mic in. Now in the old days, when I first got that mic adapter, the only way to work is you'd have to put your cord in upside down like that. Turn your GoPro on. GoPro start recording. And now I should be recording like that with the GoPro. Well, what happened? I don't know what happened at some stage. I started having all the problems I started having with the audio. My microphone no longer worked on the bike, and it turned out, I'm just going to unplug this, and I'll be swapping over. So it turned out I had to unplug it like that, plug it in like that to get audio working. Now also you can see it's shoves the box. It's not very good for the box. So not really sure if I'm even recording right now on this camera, and I won't know until I actually get inside and chuck it on the laptop and do some editing. So that's the whole problem with this thing. I'll go out and I'll do some filming, I'll get home and I've got no audio at all. And this camera that I'm using now, that fitting is on a terrible angle, as you can see. So I don't know, you try and push it down like that, pushes the box out. I've tried doing different things. Oops, I've unplugged. I've tried doing different things like putting like a hair tie around it to hold it into place. And I just don't know. So I'm going to go inside. I'm going to chuck this on the edit. Actually, I'm going to unplug this camera now, and I'll go back to that camera. Oh yeah. Rightio, well, so it was about an hour mucking around with this microphone and this little GoPro. Okay, about an hour mucking around with this little GoPro external box and microphones. I don't seem to be getting anywhere. So I'm gonna plug my motorbike helmet in shortly and do the test run, and then later, when I'm pretty sure I'm not blowing any numbers from last night, it's a pretty nice day out there, I'll get out on the bike and go for a run around and just give that a run. But I've got a funny feeling from what I can tell, this microphone box, they're like $80. I think this is buggered, or either that, it's the fittings in the side of the camera there. They're just from being vibrated around on the bike like that. I've damaged the cameras from these just like literally vibrating around on the bike when I'm riding. So I've said a few times, make the thing, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with Virgil. To register that's about $500 a year. There's my bike, that's $500 a year. So about 2 bikes registered a year, that's $1,000 right there, which isn't cheap. The boat's around $1,300 now. Now it's a full-blown V8 registered, legally registered V8. That's $1,300 a year. And even my little bike trail's 120 years. So you know, if I register Virgil, that's about $2,300 a year just in regos, which isn't very cheap. Costs a lot to live up here where it's warm in Queensland. I guess that's what we pay for. We pay for our sunshine and warmth. Like we're in the middle of August, and we're probably about 27, 28 up here today. There's a storm brewing, and let's hope it does dump some rain off, because my lawns are all dead, and we definitely need some rain. So yeah, not sure what I'm going to do with Verge. I'd love to get out and ride him. I could probably put 6 months reg on it. That way I just get to ride it around for 6 months before I sell it, just to run it in and just get the feel of it. So yeah, look, that might be, that actually wouldn't be such a bad idea. 6 months rego. I was building for someone we can't mention, but she'll never get her hands on that. She certainly doesn't deserve it. So, but anyway, yeah, I'll chuck the helmet on shortly and test its microphone out. But every time I've done a vid recently, just a static vid using static mic and this little box, cuts in and out, or I've got a couple of videos there, about 20 minutes long, no audio at all, just nothing. It just cuts out. So whether it's the GoPro box, that little box there, or whether it's actually the GoPros themselves from being vibrated around on the bike so much that they've lost all the little slot that it joins onto, whether that's just damaged, and basically I probably need new GoPros, or nobody likes GoPro sound. The microphones of GoPros horrible, they're echoey, they're bassy, and they basically sound like shit, and that's why we buy the extended box, so we can make decent videos. So alright, anyway world, like I said, Fast Jimmy, your Hippy Trev's Knees in the Breeze stickers are in the mail, and Paul, cheers mate, good to see you out and about on Ruby, nice little Street 500 there. So, and if anyone wants some stickers, just send me an email, hippytrev@bigpond.com, and I'll send you some stickers. And if you want to know what they look like, that's me Hippy Trev Knees in the Breeze stickers if you want one. So we've got Saddle Tramp in the States. I've been following him for over 2 years. $1 Million Bogan, he's a local Australian lad, he's just brilliant. Her Two Worlds Jess, and Anonymous Biker USA. I do follow quite a lot of others. Stacey Ride for Food, Doodle on a Motorcycle, I've been following her for usually a year and a half. I've now subscribed to Paul, Riding Ruby. You could do with a few more subscribers, so check him out. He puts out some pretty easygoing vids. And my daughter, who's now a nurse, just sent me that sticker yesterday. My Triple J sticker. Rightio world, better get my shit together, try and get some more editing done. Like I said, I'm just about to chuck the bike helmet on and test its microphone out. So we'll catch you when I've got my skid lid on. Later, wait. Rightio, I'm in my helmet now. Hey World, how you going? Yeah, I look pretty goofy in my helmet, but I want to test if this mic's working now. Because also, I did notice sometimes when I move the helmet up here, it did also make it did disconnect a couple of times. So this is my helmet mic right now. I don't know if I'm working. Hey Worlds, yeah, I don't know if I'm working or we're still on GoPro mic. I guess I'll find that out when I get inside and do some editing. But hopefully, yep, give me a couple of hours and a few more cups of teas and I'll get out on the bike and go for a run. I did get the handlebars straightened up, which is good, so she's back riding as normal, which is good. And I certainly need to get my knees back in the breeze as quickly as possible, because I tell you what, a couple of days I was feeling pretty down there for a while with everything that had happened, and when I did that ride the other day over to Childers, even though the bike fell over, yep, the bike fell over on its own, I didn't drop it, it fell over. By the time I got home, even though you know it was a bit of damage to the bike, it's all fixed anyway, but by the time I got home, I was just feeling so much better. You know, it's true what they say. You get on a bike, you just forget about everything, because you're just into the bike, you're into the ride, and nothing else in this world absolutely matters at all. You're just out there riding. It's so therapeutic. Yeah, it sort of got me out of my depression. Actually, I could feel myself spiraling downwards into another bad state of depression. And making myself get on the bike and ride over the Childers the other day. It just changed everything. I went to work yesterday and worked my ass off for it was only $50, but I tell you what, that helped as well, just working. And yeah, I need to get back out on the bike, because things aren't 100% yet. So the old black dog's still nipping at the heels, but we'll sort that one out too. So rightio, Wells, Rightio, Waltz, it's time to go and do some editing and see how bad my audio really is. So anyway, cheers Paul on the stage, riding Ruby. Fast Jimmy, your stickers are in the mail, mate. And if anyone wants some Hippy Trev Knees in the Breeze stickers, email me at hippytrev.com. So that's hippytrev.com. Now, if you like the vid, chuck a thumbs up. If you don't like it, chuck a thumbs down. Feel free to leave any comments, especially if you know anything about these GoPro audios. Anything like that would be handy, or just say good day. Anyway, world, stay safe, keep your knees in the breeze, catch you later, bye.